and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this look, which is like a birds in paradise look. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So firstly, you want to take the smallest brush you've got and get some brown eyeshadow. You just want to start marking out your bird. I used this picture as a reference, which I thought was a good starting point, but with this step just remember to be patient, it's really important. Secondly, you want to pick a colour scheme for your bird. I'm going for oranges and whites, and I've just started placing some orange face paint into the centre of my bird's tummy. I also placed some orange face paint onto the tail of my birdie. Now I've gone in and added some white to his tummy, and you want to remember to just keep pulling the brush strokes down. This gives it a nice feather effect. Now taking a wet brush, I've just started to blend the two colours together. Now going in with some black shadow, I've just started to shade the bottom of my bird's tummy, and I also shaded his beak and tail. Now layer by layer I've just started to intensify all of the colours. Now I've gone in with a liner pen and just started to define all of the birdie's little feathers, and I've also decided to define his tail and his beak. Now I've gone in with some orange and I've just started to do some leaves behind the bird just to give it a nice jungle effect. I also added some shading using the Morphe Artistry palette and just began to shade all over. Lastly, using some white face paint, I just highlighted all of my key areas. And that is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.